3 years ago, we didn't have any online presence. I would say it got to a point now where 3 out of 4 jobs that we do is from an online lead. 25% increase in sales year over year. And they're very responsive, very communicative, very detail oriented. They do let you know every step of the process with the reporting. I'm really happy for the work you guys did.
All right. Hey everyone, my name is Munir. I am here with Wasim, the owner of Greenlight Renovation. Wasim, do you want to just introduce yourself and your company?
Hi, this is Wasim with Greenlight Renovation. We've been doing home renovations for a while back now. It's a family-owned business. What I do, I'm administrative, coordination, materials, marketing, all that jazz, accounting and everything.
So how were things before working with us? Like, what was it like running the company? How did you guys get the leads?
That's a good question. Just to think about it, like 3 years ago, we didn't have any online presence, no websites. The leads would be, people that know that we do these services, word of mouth. Sometimes you're outside, you meet someone, and there you go, you have a job. But nowadays with technology, I'm really happy that we got to set up a website, have leads coming in online. I would say it got to a point now where 3 out of 4 jobs that we do is from an online lead.
Yeah. No, it's funny because we know a lot of older companies that have been around for 15, 20 years, and they were able to get really big because of word of mouth. But now it's really hard to get that size with just word of mouth. You have to do all this social media stuff or online stuff because that's where everyone is.
And it's mostly about the presence, right? If you don't adapt, you get left out of the market. That's what happens. Everyone's on their phone now. You search up something, someone's on their phone, talking about me first. I'm glued to this thing, so. But yeah, you search up for a service, and if you're not there, man, like I said, someone else is showing up, and it's better to kind of have that presence online.
Yeah, for sure. And what made you work with us? I remember we had a few discussions before we decided to move forward. So what was the ultimate deciding factor for you?
I got a cold call from Hisham. I didn't even know about you guys yet at that time, but it was a perfect timing. I was thinking about, kind of getting this up and going, having an online presence, being out there, and it kind of made sense. It was perfect time. And then when I looked you guys up, I saw it was very, very, professional. When I spoke with you, Munir, as well, it gave me a really good impression. And, we went from there, and the results just kept speaking for themselves.
Yeah, for sure. So you decided to work with our team. What was it like working with me and the manager under you?
I did join you guys when you were new as well, so.
So I was a manager originally.
Closely with you guys. And no, man, you guys are great. Even now, right, with the new management, that you have new managers, help work on your projects, and they're very responsive, very communicative, very detail oriented. They do let you know every step of the process with the reporting, and that's great, man. It's very important to, especially for companies that want to scale and need those documentations in the back. It really helps. Yeah. So that's great.
Yeah. And I remember when we were doing SEO together, we made a lot of the location pages. We got local backlinks. We helped with the Google Business Profile, and now you're ranking big time in Ottawa.
Blogs. Yeah.
And the blogs, which have been driving leads as well. So what has that done for your business? What kind of numbers or metrics has that changed for you?
Yeah. So that's a very good question. It goes back to the whole purpose of marketing, right? When you do marketing, you want to have an increase in sales. You want to have increase in, brand presence and recognition, right? So I think that it reached a new level. 2 years from ago, we didn't have this presence. We didn't have. So like I said, 25% increase in sales year over year. 3 in 4 jobs now are straight from Google ads or a regular SEO. And like an organic search. But results speak for themselves. I think next step, maybe we should look into, getting into the ChatGPT search engines and stuff like that now. But for the Google ads, I'm really happy for the work you guys did.
Yeah. It's crazy. So you said 25% year over year growth. And now before you weren't getting any leads online. And now you said 3 out of 4 leads come from online.
3 out of 4. Exactly. Yeah. And that kind of plays a significant part in, our sales for the year, right? So it did increase significantly as we get these jobs done. And that's off one crew, right? If we turn it up a notch, we could have 2 crews running. And that's where it comes in, the importance of having that presence online. Without that presence, you stick with that one crew forever and ever, right? So now it opens up doors for scalability, for more sales. You could easily do $1 million a year now, but it's a matter of actually keeping the quality. So for us, it's not a matter of doing so much in sales, right? It's you got to
Yeah.
gradually, step by step process to kind of grow as well.
Yeah. You never want to scale too fast, because then that's when your actual service can kind of go down. You always want to keep quality high. So, but I feel like SEO kind of helped you a lot, because it's always giving you more leads as you are able to improve your quality and your operations as well.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. You need the leads to kind of go forward too. You can't,
exactly.
you can't scale without having. So that's the thing. You don't want to have like a big crew, and then all of a sudden you don't have the marketing in the back to support all these workers, right? Company. It's very important to kind of have
Yeah.
that base set up, the marketing set up, having capable to get those leads in, and then thinking about growing your crews.
Yes. Yeah. 100%. And lastly, like, why was achieving these results so important for you and your business?
It's very important, man. You cannot reach the next step, like I said, without having patience, the foundations of business, right? So you know that marketing, sales is very important. You cannot, whether it's a product or a service, right? So in terms of this, the service, the marketing is very important.
Yeah. Yeah. Sounds good. Well, that's everything, Wasim. I hope we're gonna keep working together, and even get you showing up higher on the ChatGPT searches with the blogs as well. And
Thank you.
we'll see you guys soon. All
Appreciate
right.
it. Thank you, Munir.